Hi, this is Jo Beth with Decor Steals, and I'm your host for the next pop-up shop. Welcome to my home. The greatest thing about these pop-up shops is that Decor Steals created these collections, making it affordable and easy to decorate our home. I am obsessed with every item that this month's pop-up shop has to offer. I hope you guys enjoy the tour. I cannot wait to show you what I've created. I designed and styled a French farmhouse look for all of you guys to see. Hope you love it. Hi Stealers, thanks again for joining us at this pop-up shop. I hope you had a blast touring my home. I had so much fun styling this space for you. And thanks to Decor Steals for creating these collections so that we can make our home beautiful. Have fun shopping, guys! And don't forget to follow me at JJ Finds and Designs.